According to TikTok, toothpaste can remove this. However, take it a step further and clean my whole bathroom with toothpaste. But it's not going to be how you think it might be. I'm not going to grab a tube of toothpaste and just all over the bathroom. I will show you exactly how I'm going to do it. Let's go! I'm going to take this and smear it all over the tap and see if that works. I was going to use the cling film, but I think that's just for more of an aesthetic to peel it off. So I'm just going to smother this all over the tap, let it sit and hope for the best. Now, as you can see, I have a cup of hot water on the windowsill and I've put a bit of toothpaste in there. Right, so now that the water has cooled down, I'm just going to remove these cups. So these are what the cups look like after I've let them steam for a good while. And now I'm gonna get rid of these and wipe down the sides and see how clean they really are. Actually worked out quite well. I'm happy with that. Also, not to mention that it smells really fresh in here, which gives it that cleanliness and that feel that it's properly cleaned. Now I'm really happy with how that turned out. It's all looking really clean. I'm just gonna let this dry before I put anything back on the sides. As for this, I'm just gonna let this sit for a bit longer and then get around to cleaning all the toothpaste off. Now for the big question, is that a hack or is it a hoax? Personally, I find that that is a hack. It worked out really well. My bathroom smells fresh, it's minty, all the grime is gone. It was a really weird hack, but it worked at the end of the day. I'm happy with that. Thank you all so much for watching. If you want any more weird hacks and all the bits in between, I am your person. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I will catch you all in the next video.